Hello scientists, you are watching this video because you would like a little help with your Explore section. So we read those really cool weird water events articles about frozen Niagara Falls and Old Faithful Geyser. And so now we are going to do a simulation where we kind of show how water changed phase in those articles. So you should be in tab 2 in lesson 2.1, the Recreating Weird Water Event Sim. And you are going to go to the number 2 button here, down here. And then there you will see where you can launch the phase change simulation. So now you're going to choose the substance A, B, or C, or D that matches the starting phase of the water described in your text. So we're focused on frozen Niagara Falls and Old Faithful. So let's do the frozen Niagara Falls, for example. So I'm going to open the phase change simulation. Alrighty. And then I'm going to click the play button. And right now I'm in substance B, and I'm a liquid, which is perfect because in frozen Niagara Falls, we started off as a liquid, right? Niagara Falls, waterfall, starting off as a liquid. But then the falls freeze. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer energy out. And as I transfer energy out, notice what's happening to the temperature. And notice what's happening to my molecules. They're starting to get closer together. They're starting to slow down, not move around as much, vibrate in place. They're going from a liquid to now a solid form. And all because I transferred energy out, and thus the temperature was lowering, because that's our measure of energy, temperature. Siri is freaking out because they're hearing me teach you science, and hopefully Siri learned something too. Alrighty, good luck, happy investigating.